January 2022. The end of the month. You can't see it because my camera's blurry. Hello everybody. Well yesterday, sorry, my camera's shaking. I've never claimed to be a tripod, nor will I ever be a tripod. Thanks, Lithium. Well, anyhow, oh sorry, it's getting real shaky here. I'm gonna remove some snow from the back deck. Let's do this. The problem with fingerless gloves, folks, is that unless you're in direct sunlight, which I'm not necessarily, or dealing with snow and ice, is that they get frozen. You see that, folks? I hope I don't get frostbite. I need these digits. Well, for at least, another couple weeks of guitar playing. Then I'll really be famous. Can everybody see this? Underneath all this snow, all these 2 foot of snow, was my mom's tomato plants from last year. They probably bestow immortality, but until we figure that out, we'll report back.